Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites, map version, chapter, and whether the magnifying glass is enabled this run. Once done, move immediately to the indicated spawn zone and check nearby furniture for hidden items. You should open drawers, cabinets, and suspicious boxes in a clockwise sweep so nothing is missed. Make sure to communicate. Call out found keys or locked doors. Begin timed searches near key landmarks. This speeds discovery and avoids wasting a match chasing dead ends. Once you have initial items, prioritize puzzles that unlock large areas. The magnifying glass is often gated behind one or two intermediate locks. You should match symbols and sequence codes carefully rather than guessing, because false attempts waste time. Move in a shepherded pattern with teammates. One person handles lock mechanics, another scans for clues, and a third watches exits. Keep an eye on the map timer and adapt. If a puzzle requires combining items, prepare them in advance to speed. When the final door opens, move in quickly and secure the magnifying glass before zombies converge. You should pick it up and immediately confirm it occupies the expected inventory slot, so it won't be lost by swapping. If you cannot find it where expected, first backtrack through unlocked areas, then reload the match or reconnect because glitch spawns happen. Make sure to check map-specific spawn rules in future runs. They often dictate whether the magnifying glass appears at all.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.